Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
What are the top 10 best foods to control stomach gas? How dandelion greens can reduce stomach gas. A bitter herb like dandelion seems like it would churn your belly right into a gassy knot. But this backyard nuisance is certainly a bloat and gasoline fighting all star. A bloat unfastened punch by appearing as a diuretic and ridding the body of excess water in line with the University of Maryland Medical Center. Dandelion veggies also save you gas through increasing belly acid manufacturing and stimulating digestion. In keeping with the naturopathic Dr. Ivy Brannan from Simplicity Health Associates in New York City, stomach acid is important in proper digestion, said Brennan. If ingredients are properly digested, gas and bloating are averted. How cucumber can reduce stomach gas? Firstly, people use cucumbers to reduce puffiness beneath their eyes, and you can consume them to do the identical thing for your stomach. The vegetables consist of quercetin, a flavonoid antioxidant that enables lessen swelling. So slice it up and devour it as is, or change sugary liquids with a pitcher of cucumber water. How bananas are useful in removing stomach gas. Foods rich in potassium like banana plus avocados, kiwis, oranges and pistachios prevent water retention through regulating sodium chairs on your frame. Indeed, might thus reduce salt-prompted bloating. Bananas additionally have soluble fiber which can relieve or save you constipation. How papaya can reduce stomach gas. The enzyme contained in papaya, which is papain, allows break down proteins to your GI gadget, which makes digestion simpler. SAS says that the tropical fruit also has anti-inflammatory homes in addition to fibers that aid a sturdy digestive tract. Eat papaya entire and clean or combined into a smoothie. How asparagus can reduce stomach gas. Asparagus is an anti-bloating superfood. Sure, it makes your urine smell. However, it additionally makes you pee, duration assisting you to flush all that extra water, as a consequence relieving any soreness and bloat. It additionally consists of prebiotics which assist guide the increase of precise microorganism in keeping with SAS. This facilitates to maintain a healthy balance to your digestive gadget to prevent and or reduce gasoline. Finally, the vegetable incorporates soluble and insoluble fibers which helps in promoting typical digestive fitness. How yogurt with probiotics can be helpful in reducing stomach gas. Get a number of those good bacteria into your intestine called probiotics. They assist regular digestion and champion the general health of your digestive tract. Sure, you could take probiotic dietary supplements, but you could as well get a breakfast out of it. So eat your bloat away with a yogurt that has energetic cultures. You can sweeten it with a touch of honey, jam or granola. How fennel seeds are useful in reducing stomach gas. Fennel is a digestive tract savior. The seeds have a compound that relaxes GI spasms which permits fuel to bypass and relieve bloating, says SAS. You can discover fennel and fennel seeds in bread, sausages, and other meat dishes. You can also chunk at the seeds without delay or sip on a fennel tea at the quit of a meal. How ginger is useful in reducing stomach gas. Ginger is a go-to home remedy for colds, achy muscle tissues, cramps, and seasickness. Add bloating to the listing. Ginger is an herbal anti-inflammatory and an all-star digestive useful resource. It soothes the digestive device and relaxes the muscular tissues of the digestive tract, which can relieve bloating. SAS says it additionally consists of an enzyme that absorbs proteins, for that reason reducing protein precipitated puffiness and gasoline. How peppermint and chamomile tea is useful in reducing stomach gas. If you are feeling stretched out after dinner, you may sip on a warm cup of peppermint or chamomile tea. Both sorts loosen up GI muscle mass to help use up the gas that reasons your belly to bloat. Aside from improving digestion, chamomile can also soothe and relax, which may help ease any sort of stomach soreness. How spices are useful in reducing stomach gas. The great way to prevent gas, in keeping with Brannan, is to feature spices for your weight loss program. In Precise, she recommends black pepper. The high quality way to prevent gasoline, according to Brannan, is to add spices to your weight loss plan. In particular, she recommends black pepper, fennel seeds, caraway seeds, anise, rosemary, cardamom, coriander, basil, and cloves. Considered carminative, which actually manna an herb that forestalls gas, these spices can go a protracted way in keeping the stomach taut and gasoline unfastened.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.